In this video we're going to take a look at Connect BisTrack. To launch Connect BisTrack, from the Store tab click the Connect BisTrack button. To connect TradeTek to BisTrack, enter your BisTrack username, password, and client secret. If you don't know your client secret, contact your BisTrack representative to get it. Once all of the login information is entered, click the Connect to BisTrack button. When TradeTek is successfully connected to BisTrack, the Connect to BisTrack button text will change to Connected and the list of BisTrack product group names and customer names will be populated in the Setup tab. In the Setup tab, the first column shows all BisTrack product groups with corresponding item counts. The second column shows all TradeTek lists from the List tab that have been detected by Connect BisTrack. The third column shows the list of BisTrack customer names and the fourth column shows all TradeTek reports from the Report tab that have been detected by Connect BisTrack. Whenever changes are made to these items, click the appropriate refresh buttons to pull in the new data. From the Products tab, load a BisTrack product list by selecting it from the drop-down menu and clicking the Load from BisTrack button. If all of the items in the product list do not appear, refer to the Connect BisTrack user guide for more information on how to ensure that all product list items are available. There are 6 default columns of data that are included from the product lists. You can optionally add up to 3 additional columns of data that you want to include by selecting the column header names from the appropriate Select Product Data drop-down menus. Product list maps are used to map columns of data from the loaded data in the Products tab to TradeTek lists in the List tab. Usually, the same list map can be used to connect multiple lists, however up to 6 unique list maps can be set up and stored. To refresh a TradeTek list in the List tab with the currently selected data in the Products tab, select the desired TradeTek list name and the appropriate column map from the drop-down menus, then click the Save to TradeTek List button. Once the TradeTek lists have been refreshed from the corresponding BisTrack product list data, use Takeoff assemblies with sub-items that are connected to these lists to perform the takeoff. Once the takeoff is complete, from the Report tab click on the BisTrack report to generate and review the takeoff data. From the Quotes tab, load the appropriate takeoff data by selecting the report name and clicking the Build button. To import the selected takeoff items to a quote in BisTrack, select the appropriate BisTrack customer for the quote and click the Create Quote button. When the quote is successfully submitted, the quote number will be displayed in a dialog. If you want the quote to be auto-applied in BisTrack, be sure that the Auto-Apply checkbox is checked. Your BisTrack account must be configured to allow quotes to be auto-applied. Click the Quote History button to review a list of all previously submitted quotes. To access the Connect BisTrack user guide, from the Store tab click the Details button, select the Connect BisTrack tab then click the User Guide button.